Hi everybody, this is Lee. I'm here today to show you how to make a carrot ginger salad dressing. That consists of 1 cup carrots, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar, 2/3 cup olive oil, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. I don't know where my little mincer thing is, so I'm going to be the mincer guy. So, I'm going to use this thing called a Microplaner. Looks like this. It's actually used to chop salads. Hopefully it'll work. Bowl actually. Yeah, that's fine. Right there. I'm supposed to get ginger. Let's see, it's a big tablespoon. I suppose I could have bought ginger already made, but I wanted it fresh. I don't think that's a tablespoon anymore, huh? Cut all the bad stuff off it. I'll go for that much more. Okay, that should do it. In the bowl with the rest of the stuff. Tablespoon of minced garlic. 1/3 cup apple cider vinegar, and of course he's a mother. Brags. There. Olive oil, organic, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. I'm using pink Himalayan. And I'm just going to sort of eyeball it here. This is rich in minerals, so if you ever like salt. Alrighty, here you go. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use the immersion blender on this. I need a deeper bowl. Get. I need to wear an apron or a big plastic bag. That looks pretty good. Someone gave me this for Christmas one year. I'll put some of it in here. I don't know where I'm going to put the rest of it because I think there's going to be more than will fit in here. I need a funnel. You know what I'll do? I'll use the scooper. That'll work. And I'll pour it in that way. Hopefully this will work a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's do salad dressing. I'm going to use this on a salad right now. I'm just going to use this bowl here. I have a spring mix. I got my local Publix. I think it's 2 for $5 as well. It's already in there. Okay, here's my salad. And then, bright enough. That's my salad. I should get me eating that too, huh? Ooh, feed me. Bon appetit. Late night salad. And I found out the dressing that I just showed you how to make solidifies. You gotta take it out a few minutes in advance. It has a lot of oil in there.